again, dahil napagod ng bahagya itong Philippine Army, kaya naman nakapag-score ito. Inatake ng husto nitong Smart Maynila.
Tandaan nyo sa 5th set, 1-15 lang ito. We will have a change of sides at the 8-point mark. Ang importante sa 15, mabilis ka.
Correct. Mauna ka na dyan.
Score quickly. Rachel Dakis keeping it in play. Tough set. Nagkagulo bunag, just keeping it in play. Torres. Ito, walang sayangan ng bola rito eh.
Oh, yan. Mahirap, hindi pwede.
Salak, free ball ito. Malapit masyado sa net. Buhay pa.
Ang ganda na pagkakaset ni Ruby. Another chance. And Solton is just so smart. Going for that cut shot.
She's getting to grow up in this game, ha?
Yes.
Dati, all power, power,
Precisely.
power, power. Ngayon, I'm learning from my ate.
Solton is now with 7 points. Banatikla with 10. Cassini with 19. And Valdez with 24.
Valdez with everything else.
So, on our first game. And dito naman sa kabila, Gonzaga with 19. Balsa with 11. Michelle Carolina with 10. Bautista with 7.
Sorry, partner. Banatigla kept that in play. In the meantime, Cassini sparking the Smart team and nicely done. Now, Ging has taken a rest, especially dun sa latter part ng
of the
fourth
fourth.
set.
At hindi talaga pwede kiging na isang blocker lang.
Shakey's, for Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Although ito si Cassini is known to be a really good blocker, kaya nga click na click sila pag sila ni Mikmik Laborte.
Oh, I can imagine. I hope
nasa team.
Oh, Dakis!
Rachel Dakis going down the line.
Yan ang Dakis. Gumulo ang buhok, naglulundag. Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Bang! She gets good height.
Yan ang gusto niyang set. Yung medyo malayo sa net. Para nagagawa niya ng paraan.
Going. Huli. Bunag with a clean hit.
John Bunag reading that attack well.
Yung Cassini, nandito yun, ha?
Oh, grabe lang. You can tell how important this game is by the looks of yung tempo ng game.
Yung Cassini, medyo overreach na ngayon, ha? Axel's the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Tabla tayo at 3.
I'd say mamaan na to eh.
Oo nga.
Kasi he has played so many competitions na both local and international.
Gonzaga. Extra special today.
Extra. Ako, tingin ko nga eh. Hindi na lang yan today eh.
Whether she wins or loses, they win or lose, she's the best player of today for them, I think. Ooh, Gimbal knew it.
Combination play from the Smart Maynila team.
Picasa's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League.
Alam mo yan ang magiging key ngayon, yung mga kombinasyon.
Yes.
Dito sa 5th set na to.
Ni-report kanina ni AJ Bautista.
Nene Bautista nakalusot doon sa block.
Masipag ang Rexona nitong araw na to. Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Bumubulong dyan direct, ano ha?
May sample.
Sample.
Si Ann yan.
Kahit yung mga babae na lang.
Wala si Ann. Ki Ann dapat.
Si Ann. No.
Oh! Eliza Valdez sending it long.
6-4. Now floats De Leon. Buhay pa. Alam ni Eliza, buhay pa eh. Binigay kay Cassini.
And Cassini not letting them down.
Shakey's Fun Family Pizza's gotta be Shakey's, and that's outside.
Good read.
the errors. Yan ang papatay. John Bunag. Look short but perfect. Valdez. That's out. Great effort by Torres. Yan
Isa pa.
ang libero.
Hindi ka na makakaulit. Tignan natin.
Ang mga libero may pride eh. I know they try to be as pretty as possible, but there's pride in their work also. Huh? Ruby. What a girl.
Grabe lang. Ito na yung mamaan na sinasabi natin. Di ba? Alihan.
Ang everything extra na ito. 7-all. Oh, yan. Extra sauce.
Yan naman, yung ace naman, parang 5 points din. Ganun din kabigat.
Di pa tayo sa kabila at both sides have been really gnawing at each